In the news, semiconductor stocks are up by 1.89%. They're rebounding as a group following a strong second quarter report from Taiwan Semiconductor. The company posted GAAP earnings per share of $1.48 and $20.82 billion in revenue, above analyst estimates. It also forecasted higher revenue for the current quarter due to AI-driven demand. This positive outlook is poised to help U.S. chipmakers recover from Wednesday's tech sell-off on Wall Street, which marked the largest decline for the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index in over 4 years. TSM, AMD, NVDA, INTC, SMH, MU, ARM, MRVL. Alphabet Inc., ticker symbol GOOGL, is up by 0.39%. It's trading marginally higher pre-market after its target price was raised from $190 to $205 by Mizuho. Separately, Italy's antitrust agency announced that it has launched an investigation into Google and its parent company Alphabet over alleged unfair commercial practices related to users' personal data. The agency claims the consent requests for connecting multiple services could be misleading and aggressive. The watchdog stated that the information provided to users is incomplete and fails to clarify the impact on their personal data, potentially limiting their freedom of choice by inducing agreement to combine data usage across different Google services. Tesla Inc., ticker symbol TSLA, is up by 1.19%. It's trading higher pre-market with volume on no apparent catalyst. Barclays increased its price target for the stock from $180 to $225 on Wednesday. They cited the stock as a long-term EV play, despite short-term fundamental concerns heading into its second quarter earnings report. NEO Inc., ticker symbol NEO, is trading higher pre-market, up 1.31%. This uptick comes amid excitement for the upcoming release of the NIO phone, which has recently been included in a regulatory database. The new 5G mobile phone, model number N2401, received the China Compulsory Certificate, or CCC certification, on July 17 with Lens Technology in Hunan as the manufacturer. United Airlines Holdings Inc., UAL, is up 1.52%, trading higher pre-market following its earnings report. Quarterly sales were reported at $14.986 billion, falling short of the estimated $15.096 billion. But earnings of $4.14 per share beat the estimate of $3.95. The company maintained its previous fiscal 2024 EPS guidance of $9 to $11 per share, compared to estimates of $10.04, and highlighted opportunities for outperformance in unit revenue during the latter half of fiscal Q3. Warner Bros. Discovery Inc., WBD, is up 4.93%. Trading sharply higher pre-market after the Financial Times reported that the company is considering splitting its digital streaming and studio businesses from its legacy TV networks. CEO David Zaslav is reportedly exploring various strategic options, including selling assets or creating a new company for the Warner Bros. Movie studio and Max streaming service. This move could potentially leave most of the company's $39 billion debt with the pay TV networks business. Beyond Meat Inc., BEAND, is down 13.81%, gapping down after the Wall Street Journal reported that the company has begun discussions with a group of bondholders about a balance sheet restructuring. The bondholders, who hold interests in Beyond Meat's $1.1 billion of convertible notes, are reportedly working with law firm Akin Gump Strauss Hauer and Feld on the restructuring. Beyond Meat stock has a 36.8% short float. BriaCell Therapeutics Corp., BCTX, is up 45.39%, gapping up after reporting that its treatment for metastatic breast cancer quadrupled the chances of progression-free survival for one of its patients. The patient who responded the best to the treatment in the first phase of the study is set to continue with the treatment in phase 2.